My lovely people, welcome back to Pixellab Management. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to add any kind of fonts to your Pixellab. How to add 1000 fonts to Pixellab. So let us go right into it. Okay, so you go to Google and you go and search for the fonts you want to use. Go and download the font. I have a font in mind, and that will be Gopesta font. And by the way, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment if you are learning from this channel. So you allow it to load. Then you click. It's good to download from this website. That font's free. It's a good website to download from. It's always easy and straightforward. So you scroll until you see the option for download. And meanwhile, I'll be sending a lot of resources to all my students. You can enter into my WhatsApp DM and sign up for a masterclass, and I'll teach you everything you need to know. So you download the fonts. Yeah, allow it to download. And yes, that's it. Yeah, so you go back. The next thing is to go and unzip the file you just downloaded. So we are going to be using Phoenix, the popular Phoenix, you know. So when you open Phoenix, go to files and come here. Everything is just on your screen. You search, click on zipped first because it's a zip document. Go pesta. Yeah, that's a go pesta that we just downloaded. Now unzip. You can either use unzip or unzip and view. So once you unzip, that's it very fast. So just check your details so you know the location. This is where you know where the file is located on your phone because you'll be needing it later on when you open your Pixellab. So now that we've unzipped it, let's go to Pixellab now. This Pixellab, you click your fonts first. As you click your text, then go to fonts, and then go to my fonts. Very important. Click on that plus icon. Then you look for the same location, the same direction that you have with that. Don't forget. So is it here? Let's check if the font is here. Don't forget the name is Gopesta font. Um by the way, if you are learning, please kindly, there are a lot of hacks I will still share about Pixellab that will make you a pro. Okay, so let's check again. Let's check again. Let's check. Okay. I think now we can go and check for this exact location, the exact parts. Yeah. So let's go again. You click the plus icon. Yeah, click the plus icon. Now, exactly. I'm just tracing the same direction there. It might not be the same thing for your own phone. That's why you need to check that direction to know where exactly your new font is hiding on your phone. Yes. We are looking for Gopesta, don't forget. Go pesta. Yes, that's that. Done. That's it. Click it. Then add selected. Then click OK. But then it will be done because it just added it. So it will be the last font under. Scroll down until you see it. If you do not see, then you do not add it well. So that's it. That's the pesta font. Click OK. This is how the font looks like. Then you can now adjust and all of that. So yeah, that's it. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay, let's do it again. Let's add another font. I'm repeating the process for you to see again. The same process. Just select the location of the font on your phone. Then, for example, this IRA demo. Click OK. Click Add Selected. Then go down. You see it as the newest font. Are you seeing the one I just added now? Click OK. Click OK. Zoom until you are satisfied, and then that's it. You are good to go. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you.